How to slice a small tuna for sushi and sashimi. Only use the freshest tuna. Using a very sharp knife, first remove any ugly parts and then the skin by holding the tail end down as you cut through the flesh. The meat next to the skin has a lot of fat and you can use it as minced toro. Smash it with the blunt part of the knife in crosshatch and remove it with a spoon. To slice nigiri, cut a piece 4 fingers long, then hold the tuna with your fingers and slice a piece in one movement, thickness of more or less 0.8 centimeters. For sashimi, the slice is thicker, around 1.3 centimeters, and this time you cut down with the knife. You can either cut across the fish or along it. Use the meat near the tail for rolls, cut strips 1 centimeter thick. Whatever is left you can mince to use in rolls. Tuna goes great with green onions, so add a little if you like. Please like and subscribe. Sayonara.